I recently replaced the lower siding on my garage with GenStone Northern Slate panels. This is what it used to look like, and this is the finished project. It was incredibly easy to install. I simply used a handsaw to cut pieces that needed to be cut, and easily secured it with screws into the studs. They make 90-degree corners, but I chose to butt it up to the vertical siding on my garage. I used the GenStone Northern Slate ledger to finish the top. It's lightweight, super easy to cut, position, and work with. It's given my house an updated appearance, and I think it looks great. I'm no handyman by any stretch of the imagination, but if I can do this, anyone can. I highly recommend this GenStone product.